Welcome to this product demo. You can use this wizard to manage your Debian 12.3cx installation. This installation wizard has been developed to simplify and streamline the deployment of 3CX systems. 3CX wizard main tabs are Home, System, Installer, Uninstaller, and Updates. When you power on the eMini PC, you get direct access to the wizard so you can start your setup. Homepage will show an overview of your server and also a quick start that will include some instructions and shortcut for using this system. Click on System tab to check on system status that will include all information about your server, from network, memory, and storage to CPU. On Services, we can see the 3CX services if they are running in our server. In the Network tab, we are given the ability to change the interface IP address to static or choose DHCP based on your network preferences. Then you apply and test if it's connected to the internet. But you can always revert back to original settings. Before we proceed with the installation, you should update the server. We can check for any package updates by clicking on Check Latest Version or go for a self-update. To install 3CX, we need to go have some prerequisites installed. You can either run them step by clicking individually, or run all steps at the same time. Then refresh status to confirm the changes were made. Next, you move into the main wizard. Here, you select your FQDN, and it will confirm its availability. Only then, you can move to filling your 3CX license key, then followed by first and last name, and the end user's company info, including email, name, and phone number. Next, you select number of digits that will be used in the 3CX instance. It can be from 2 to 5, and you can't change this later. After that, you click Install 3CX PBX and wait for the installation to finish. If you have to uninstall 3CX from your server, simply go to the Uninstaller tab and click on Uninstall 3CX PBX and confirm. You can also check in the Remove tab what was removed from your server.